morning, everyone!
So today, ang ipapasurvey natin is about how many times do you change your mind before buying something. So, let's begin!
Hindi naman. Ang survey lang po, ang survey.
I-check lang po.
Check lang po.
Bali, i-check nyo lang po kung how many times po yung mga exam.
Ilan ba tayo? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Like, eto po, dalawa lang po. Para.
Ayun na, abot na sa'yo. Thank you so much. Parang ang Bombay na nabalik ako.
Okay na po. Thank you po. Thank you po.
Ang papasurvey lang po sana kami for school. Sa mga... Pogi.
Pwede naman yung kahit ano no.
Okay lang po, my
Ito, Pogi. Ay, hindi mo to.
Ano papagawa?
Here are some of the clips during our interview.
My name is John J. Martin guys from Art 254 and kaya nagbabago ako ng isip since may nakikita akong mas maganda at mas better yung quality ng isang product. Ganun lang.
Thank you. Good morning everyone. So today, meron tayong mga respondents. So, tatanungin natin sila kung bakit nila napili yung answer nila. So, can you please state your name and tell us why you choose it?
So, I'm Jumera Lauren Palabita, and my answer is, I changed my mind like 5 times before buying something. Kasi I'm very decisive ako. And minsan, napili ko na yung bibili ko, tapos ika-cancel ko kasi nagbago yung isip ko. So, I'm very confident that same with Jumera, bottom line is for Palestine. Since kada order ko is nagka-cancel, din na din ako after.
Okay,
Next.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you po. Thank you for answering.
Okay.
Both.
Everyone, here na po yung naman ang survey namin for a mark for feet 254. Okay, bakit po kami yung
First adjustments in Natasha. So, napili ko yung 5 times kasi I usually take a long time talaga. Iniisip ko talaga kung ano yung bibili ko or
So, ang napili ko is 2 times, which is I think I'll get and change my decision twice. So, as impulsive buyer, so usually nung ginagawa ko naman siya 1 time, but most of the time 2 times siya. So, I think iniisip ko kung kasya ba yung pera ko and also yung mga kailangan ko ba siya as my gamit, gano'n. And also, ina-apply ko